Let's break down the first like 16 counts. So once you're here, just the feet, step left, touch right, step right, left heel, step down, brush through, step, step. Remember, you're going to end with your weight on your left foot, so that way on the next beat one you can reach out. Okay, so we're going to go through the reach now. 1, 2, ready, begin. Step, touch, step, heel, grab, step, 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 reach. And without moving your feet, you're going to just bring it back and kiss. Hands down. Switch to the back, right, left, right. Okay, let's do those 2 16ths together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, grab, swoop, right, left, right, kiss, grab, step, turn, right, left, right.